Hello guys and welcome to Algodoo, where today I'll be showing you how to make door closers. So first of all you need to draw a box by going down to here where this thing is, the box. Draw a box outside you want. Go to go to the bottom. Why is it like a circle then XX? Like an X in the middle. Do that. Then get the box again. Draw it. Click on play on the simulation. Go to the wheel down there. Click on it. Then go to spring. Go to the spring. Then that. Then click on play. Go to the finger tool. And 3, 2, and that's how you make a closing door. And if you want to make the door a bit slower, go to springs, dampen, like I'm going to put it in the middle all the way, and look how it closes. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And now push that down and look. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.